actually. But I thought, well, I bring it up now, okay? I went and ordered me up something. They're all over the internet, all over YouTube, and I thought, well, let's just get one. Here we go. There it is. I got me a grom, the blue and white one, just like the picture here. And yeah, I Arma Mojave, and I was waiting to get one through a hobby shop, but that was taking kind of long. So I thought, well, I'll just get one going. So we'll get this opened up, and I'll talk about it. I mean, there's been so many unboxings, it's just ridiculous. So, but this is my own channel, so, and this will come with a 1400 2S LiPo, and it will come with a charger, which I've already ordered a better charger to go with this truck, and I've already ordered it's already here, a 3S LiPo. So 2S LiPo, supposedly 35 miles an hour. 3S LiPo, they say 50, 47, 48. So that's miles an hour too. It's not kilometers. So anyway, we'll get this thing opened up and we'll go over it. So be back with you in a few. Okay, I'm back. I had to go get some tools. Let's see here. We'll go cut the tape. Here we go. First one to be into it. Just like that. And first thing I want to show you is the box itself. It's kind of cool. They give you these speeds, okay? 50% throttle with a 2S LiPo. They say 20 miles an hour. 75% with 2S LiPo, they're saying 30. 100% 35. Then we go to a 3S LiPo at 50% throttle, they're saying 35 miles an hour. 75% is 40. At 100%, it's they're touting this thing will do 50 miles an hour. Realistically, what I've seen, 48, maybe with a good tailwind, 50 miles an hour. 47 to 50 miles an hour if you play with them. These do have this does have the brushless system in it, and it has a 2-in-1 ESC in it as well. It has a DSC, dynamic stability control, and built into it. Let's see here. Yeah, let's see. And actually, he's showing this picture right here. This is the charger I got coming for it right there. The Spectrum S100 smart charger. I ordered one of them. They're like $38, $35. Wasn't that bad. So I ordered that charger up because these are the batteries it takes, and they don't have a balance lead on them. So you gotta, it's like Traxxas, you gotta use their setup. So anyway, we'll get this thing out of the box here. Let's see here. Here's what the front cover looks like. Here's your metal gears. It's got metal gears in it as well. You get the white and blue. That's one I got. Should be in here. And it has aluminum shock bodies. It has the adjustable steering linkages, aluminum hexes. You get your driver's figures in it as well, driver navigator. And yeah, so the same thing on the front. It shows everything. So now we'll just pop this thing open, and right here, this is the size it is going to be right here, scale size. This is Mojave Grom BLX as well. That's the actual size of it. Now you flip it open. Right here it is. We're going to pull it out, and we'll get to that in a minute. Here's your Spectrum radio and the SLT2 system. They give you a toolkit. They give you the Arma batteries, the chargers in here, the wrench. Like I said, I got a better charger coming for it. And they got your little Mojave Grom card. instruction booklet as well. That's pretty much it for what's in here. Excuse my wiggling the camera. So that's pretty much it for there. Now then I'll get some cutters and we'll cut some tie wraps. Let's see, do this. I'll cut this off a minute and put the truck out. There we go. Get lifted out just like so. And first thing I'm gonna do, watch this drop test. Just like a wet sponge. That's how you want it to land. Yeah, they got them set up. They're set up really good, right out of the box. So shocks, you shouldn't have too much with them. So I decided to do something like this is because it's small enough you could take it with you. So you can take the truck with you. Right here it is, the blue and white one. Yeah, looks pretty good. You can see says 2 or 3S right on it. Get this out of the way. It's got the little guards here. I'll take the body off here in a second. No body pins. You basically push the buttons in, lift the body off just like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I won't be able to run it right away because I got to charge batteries, obviously. This first time I've seen it with you is right now. So right there it is. That's that battery. And right here's the 3S battery. So a little bit bigger battery. So, yep. And guess what? I screwed up. Uh-oh. I screwed up. Oops. See what I did? Look at that. Look at the end. Look at the end. So this battery is going to be an issue for this car. I'm going to have to go in and order up the right battery. So I thought I had it here, and I should know better. No big deal, I guess. And here is the charger. Here's your batteries. Here's your tool, as well as the instruction booklet and a little baseball card. So anyway, guys, we'll get this opened up. Well, I thought I had everything sitting here for it. It's supposed to be a 3S, but this is what the charger looks like. And obviously I can't charge this battery with this setup, so yep. So I'm going to have to figure out which battery it is and order me up a battery. So 3S battery for it. But there it is. This is your charger. So that's all it is. I ain't gonna get too fancy with it. Here's your brushless, your heat sink, cooling fan here, your 2-in-1 ESC, and your steering circles underneath. Your battery pack sits in here. And what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna see if they got an adapter that I can adapt this down, because this will fit in there. So maybe they got an adapter that I can adapt it down to this smaller one. So I'll look at that. Be easier to buy an adapter than it would be to just go out and get another battery. So anyway, guys, this is all quick as it gets, and we'll do. Okay, I can't run it right now, so we'll just kind of just like that. There you go. It comes with their own batteries. So gets the batteries and radio. Get the batteries and radio, and I'll just work at getting figuring out the what do you call it? And actually, this setup here is almost the same as my almost the same as my what I'm trying to say here. little rock crawler and a little X. Let's see if I got these in right. There we go. Telling you there ain't no battery on it. A nice little radio. So at this point, guys, I'm gonna plug in the battery and get it on a charge, and go see what I can do as far as getting some kind of adapter to adapt this to that. So thanks for watching, and that was kind of abbreviated, but I can't really run the truck right now, so it's just sitting here. I'm gonna charge a battery up on it, and as soon as I can, I'll get some videos out. I'll run it around on my track I'm building right now. So thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time. Next time you see this truck, it'll be running. So see you later. Have a great day, and God bless.